To customize the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to settings. Over here, scroll down until you find wallpaper and style, and then go here and then select the lock screen. So tap on the lock screen. Now here we have our clock. We can tap on it. Now we can change the font that we want to use. So let's say I'm gonna use perhaps this one. We can make it thinner or bolder, at least in some cases where the font supports that. So let's see if we can find anything. Yeah, so for example, this one. We can also change the color at the bottom, or we can use adaptive, which is based on the wallpaper that we are using right now. And you can also create custom color here as well. We can switch to spectrum too. And then we can also switch to style in order to change the whole style of the clock. There we go. We can make the clock bigger or smaller by dragging these corners that we have, these white ones. And also we can change the position, so you can move it around in order to place it in the exact spot where you want the clock to be. Once you are done, press done in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!